Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to mix the diamond zoom and shake effects to create transitions in CapCut. So first you can just click on the first clip and go to the animation, out, then select the fade out animations and set it to around 0.3 seconds. Now go to the video effect, opening and closing, and select the diamond zoom effect. Adjust the size and also intensity to 50 and the speed 80. Oops. Horizontal 40 and then the rotate 80. Okay, click on a check icon and place it under the beginning of the first clip like this. Now add another video effect, the shake effect. Click on the nightclub category and add shake. Now adjust the intensity and speed to 15. Okay, now you are done. But if you have more than 2 clips, you can just repeat the steps. So you need to make the shake effect shorter than the diamond zoom, and this will be the result. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click on the thanks below. Bye.